Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of Riga's most stunning hotels, the Grand Poet. If you're a fan of unique, luxurious stays, you're going to want to see this. Right when you walk in, you're greeted with a cozy, elegant vibe. The decor here has this mix of modern touches with classic luxury. It's warm, inviting, and you just feel special walking through the doors. Alright, let's get into the Grand Suite. I had a room with a view overlooking the park across the street. The suite is everything you'd want, spacious, super stylish, and so comfortable that honestly it was hard to leave the room. The bed was super soft, with bedding that felt like a cloud, perfect for a good night's sleep. And guys, the bathroom, wow, it's designed with stunning marble everywhere. There's a freestanding bathtub right by the window where you can soak with a view. Plus, it has a huge walk-in shower, double sinks, and just an overall high-end feel that's amazing for pampering yourself. The Grand Poet has a spa area too. I spent some time relaxing in the warm pool and checking out the saunas. It's the perfect little escape in the heart of Riga, super serene and just what you need to unwind after exploring the city. Now let's talk about the breakfast. They serve a delicious buffet breakfast with a great selection. And the seating area has different cozy spots, so it feels intimate and relaxed. Plus, we ordered room service for dinner one night. Everything was so tasty. The Grand Poet sits right in the heart of Riga, just a quick walk from all the best spots. You can literally step outside and be right where you want to explore. Overall, I had an incredible stay at the Grand Poet. Between the beautiful rooms, the spa, the amazing food and the location, it's honestly one of the best places I've stayed. If you're coming to Riga and want something special, this hotel is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more travel content and let me know in the comments if you would stay here. Until next time, happy travels!